In this video, we're going to take you through the basics of Instagram. First, you need to install the Instagram app. Once you've done this, you need to either create or log into your account. Your account can be linked to either your Facebook account, your email address, or mobile phone number. Now you have an account, you need to find people to follow. To do this, you can type their names into the search bar or look at Instagram suggestions via the Discover feature. Discover can be accessed by going through your profile and then the Discover People icon in the top left of your profile. Click the follow icon next to any accounts which you're interested in following to see more of them. When someone you follow posts a new photo or video, it appears in your news feed. If you enjoy someone's post, you can double tap on the photo or press the heart icon to like it, or press the speech bubble to comment. To post your own photos and videos to Instagram, select the camera button on the bottom of your screen. You can access photos from your device by selecting Library, or instead, you can take a new photo or video by selecting these options instead. Once you've selected which photo you'd like to post, you can edit it using Instagram's simple editing tools. You can also add filters to give your photos a unique look. Now you can add a caption, tag people, and add a location to your post. If you want to share your post onto your other social media accounts like Facebook and Twitter, slide the switch over to enable sharing. When you're ready, click Share to post your photo. Instagram also uses hashtags to link your post to certain topics. Hashtags can be searched for through the Explore section using the search bar. To add a hashtag to your own posts, simply type it into your caption before you share your post. If you want to adjust your privacy settings so only certain people can see your account, you can adjust your privacy settings via your profile. For more helpful hints about how to stay connected, please go to jtglobal/jt-help. Thanks for watching.